Kids, this is Keila. Happy Monday. This is the first day of the week, and this week, since we are working from home, we're gonna do all the homeworks and assignments that we have together. So I need you to pay attention. Remember, power of listening. You have to listen with your eyes, with your ears, with your heart, and your mouth and paws. So pay attention to this video so we can do the homework together. With the help of your mommy and daddy, we're gonna work on the booklet. Today, we're gonna work on page 1. Guess what? We're gonna check about good and bad classroom behaviors. So let's read the instructions. Circle with green crayon. Let's check. Everybody with the green crayon. This is our green crayon. So we're gonna circle with green crayon the good classroom behaviors. And with the red crayon, we're going to cross out the wrong classroom behaviors. So now, check with me what we have to do. Let's see. This one is raise your hand, right? This is a correct class behavior. So we're going to go ahead and circle it with the green crayon. Perfect. Let's see what other good classroom behavior do we have here. Listen with our ears when the teacher is speaking. That is the correct classroom attitude. So we're gonna go ahead and circle this one also with our green crayon. Now, make the row. This one is a correct classroom attitude or behavior. So we're gonna go ahead and circle this one as well with green crayon. Perfect. We already have 1, 2, 3 good classroom behaviors. Now let's take our red crayon and we're going to cross out or mark an X on those that are not correct. Now, this one, that is beat our classmate. Is this a correct or bad classroom behavior? This is a wrong classroom behavior. So with the red crayon, we're going to cross it out because we're not supposed to do that in the classroom. What else do we have here? Oh, step on the tables or the chairs. Is this a correct classroom attitude? Of course not. It's not a correct classroom behavior. So we're gonna cross it out as well with red crayon. Now, screaming in the classroom. Is this correct? No, it's not correct. So with the red crayon again, we're going to cross out this one as well. So with 1, 2, 3, crossed out with red, we already complete this task. Perfect. Now, after watching the video of the square shape, we're gonna do an activity today to reinforce or to get the knowledge correctly about the square. We have trace and color the square with yellow crayon. Perfect. This is the square. Let's see. The square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's trace it with our index finger first before we trace it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we said that we're gonna use yellow crayon. This is the yellow crayon. So with yellow crayon, we're gonna first trace. Let's do it. Without lifting up your hand, you trace 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what's the next thing teacher told you that you have to do? Color the border. So you're gonna color the border of the square like this. You first color the border. If you color the border, you're not gonna get out or color out of the borders. This is just a technique so you can color correctly. Now we already finished coloring almost the border of the square. Now what's the next step? Color up and down. Let's do it. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. This is the correct way to color. Up and down. Up and down. without coloring out of the borders, and you keep your coloring inside of the border that you color. You see, the thicker the border, the better you do color without getting out of the border. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Very good. We're gonna do this until you color all of your square. Like this. Remember, up and down. Only one direction. That will help you color correctly. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, very good. You have to color all of your square up and down until you finish. And when you finish, then you can move on to the next tags that we have for you. Let me finish this. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Very good. And we put our yellow crayon away. Okay, we're gonna do our last activity for today. That is on our page number 6. Remember, have your mom or dad help you with this activity. What are we gonna do? We're gonna count and trace number 1. And color and draw 1 on the jar, meaning inside of the jar. So for this activity, we're gonna use blue crayon. So we're gonna do this. Color the number 1, like this. Perfect. Then we're gonna color the letters of number 1. Try to color inside of the border. Perfect. Very good. Now we're going to trace the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So we already colored number 1 in number and letters, and we traced the line that made number 1 when you trace them. Now we're gonna draw inside of the jar a little ball. Only 1 ball. How many crayons we have here? 1. How many balls we're gonna draw inside of the jar? 1. Like this. You're gonna make a circle, and then we're gonna color it. So how many balls do we have inside of the jar? 1. That represents number 1. So very good.